You see them in financial reports and scientific studies, but what is a p-value actually telling you? Let's demystify it. At its heart, a p-value is a measure of probability. It helps us decide if a result is meaningful or just random chance. Most analysts look for a p-value below 0.05. This is the common threshold used to call a result statistically significant. The p-value tests the null hypothesis, or the idea that your results are just luck. A low value suggests your findings are likely real. Ever wonder how scientists decide if a discovery is real or just a stroke of luck? It all comes down to the p-value. Here we see three scenarios. Scenarios A and C are statistically significant, while scenario B falls into the realm of possible random noise. Remember, a low p-value is just a hint that something is happening. It is not absolute proof of a massive financial breakthrough. Understanding statistics helps you make sense of market data. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics. Thanks for watching.